Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another Arabic lesson. Today, we're going to explore the parts of the head in Arabic with clear visuals and correct pronunciation. So get ready to grow your Arabic vocabulary in a fun and simple way. Let's get started. The first word we're going to learn is ear. In Arabic, we say udhun. Can you say that with me? Udhun. It means ear. Let's take a look at the ear on the picture and repeat the word a few times to remember it well. Udhun, udhun, ear, udhun, udhun, anf, anf, nose, anf, anf, asnan, asnan, teeth, asnan, asnan, ذقن, ذقن, chin, ذقن, ذقن, from, mouth, from, شعر, شعر, hair, شعر, شعر, lisan, lisan, tongue, lisan, lisan, ein, ein, eye, ein, ein. You're doing amazing so far. Let's discover even more head parts on the next page. Now, let's learn a new word. Cheeks. In Arabic, we say khed for one cheek and khudud for both cheeks. Can you try saying it with me? Khudud. It means cheeks. Let's point to the cheeks in the picture and say it again together. Khudud, khudud, cheeks. Khudud, khudud. Shafatan, shafatan, lips. Shafatan, shafatan. Unuq, unuq, neck. Unuq, unuq. رأس, رأس, head, رأس, رأس, حاجبان, حاجبان, eyebrows, حاجبان, حاجبان, رموش, رموش, eyelashes, رموش, رموش, لحية, لحية, beard, لحية, لحية, جبين, جبين, forehead, جبين, جبين. Great job! You've made it to the end of the lesson. That's amazing. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun Arabic lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mar salama.